Hello guys and welcome back to my Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the something went wrong like during login error code. And basically for this error code, what you have to do is, like, let's just say you have more than one PlayStation Network account and you're using, like, let's just say 2 to 3 PlayStation Network accounts and you're logged in with the same Roblox account. You're going to go ahead and unlink all of them except for one. So the one account that you want to play on, just make sure that one is left logged in and left linked to your Roblox account. And yeah, so once you do that, check to see if that fixes. If that does not fix, the second method you guys can try doing is that once you're scanning your QR code and trying to log in, whatever you're doing to log in to your Roblox account with your mobile iPhone or whatever Samsung, make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi. So make sure your phone and your PlayStation is connected to the same Wi-Fi. And if the Wi-Fi doesn't work, then go ahead and try to do hotspot instead, because I know hotspot works as well. So connect your PlayStation to your mobile hotspot, and that should definitely fix the error code. And then after, if all these things don't work, you can always just try ahead and go ahead and deleting Roblox and then just reinstalling it. And yeah, so that is basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.